It's okay.
No, how?
Maybe you just can't take two cars at once.
Oh. There we go.
Good job. Good fix. Good fix.
Do this one. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna do Oh, that was when he turned this. I made the turn ramp when he turns. When somebody wants to turn. Hey, that car almost made it. Try again. Because that car made it. Ah! I can't believe it.
Whoa, that guy went flying in.
Yeah, that guy went flying in. Run! This is some top five. Yay! Oh man! That one almost made it. We tried to jump. Whoa! I mean, hey! Only the blue car, only and some cars go in that bucket.
Okay.
All of the cars go in that bucket when they lose. There's still one in that bucket and in that bucket. I got all the cars.
Good job. Should we do it again?
Yeah. Hey Dad, actually, guess what else you can do to always get the cars? You get it here. But the car's not close away. It's right here. Got it.
Good job.